Now, Australia will supply $40 billion worth of liquefied natural gas to China over the next 20 years in the nation's biggest ever trade deal. Let's get more from Heidi in Sydney. Heidi, is this a sign that perhaps tension is thawing over the Rio Tinto arrests?
Linda, certainly could be the case. The Minister for Resources and Energy, Martin Ferguson, is in Beijing, and he called this deal a landmark in our relationship with China. Now, that is a bit contradictory to what the Foreign Minister, Stephen Smith, said in Parliament yesterday, that Australia's relationship with China has been strained by the detention of Rio executive Stern Hu. Still, it's a simple equation. Australia has the resources that China wants to buy. This deal involves LNG from the Gorgon project off the coast of Western Australia. $41 billion worth of output from Gorgon will be sold by ExxonMobil, which owns a stake in that project, to PetroChina over the next 2 decades. It comes on top of another deal by stakeholders Shell and Chevron to sell 2 million tonnes of LNG a year to China. And let's have a look at shares of the energy producers. Origin and Woodside were out with profit results today. Woodside's result came in better than expected. We're seeing Woodside's shares up by a little over 4%. Origin Energy's profit surged 13-fold, but that was due to the sale of a gas field to ConocoPhillips. And as the investors digest those numbers, not so excited now, down about 0.5%. And we'll be speaking to Woodside's Chief Executive, Don Volte, live on Morning Call on Friday. Back to you, Linda.
Who says we're not excited about Woodside? 9 analysts that we track in the Bloomberg say buy that stock. Heidi, thank you so much for that.
I said Origin.
Origin. Well, I'm talking about Woodside. People are still excited about that, it seems. Now, Heidi was talking about Australian energy stocks. Another energy story crossing the terminal this morning. Chevron Corp of the U.S. says it has found 2 natural gas discoveries in Carnarvon Basin, and that's off the west coast of Western Australia. We'll keep an eye on that particular development.